Hi, welcome to Logo's Kitchen. Today we are going to show you how to make Goan pork sausages. For that we need pork meat, which can be either pork belly or pork butt shoulder. So you cut it into tiny pieces, as tiny as it can pass through the sausage maker. Once all the meat is cut, wash it thoroughly and drain all the water. Once all water is drained, transfer it into a big bowl. And then you add salt. So once you add the salt, mix it thoroughly. Now you will have to transfer it into a strainer so that all the excess water is drained out. So for that you will have to cover it with a vessel or a plate and put some heavy weight on top of it. So any liquid which is collected in the bottom vessel, you will have to throw it out for around 12 to 14 hours. And after that, for 3 to 4 hours, spread out in a plate like this and keep it out. Now let's prepare the masala, which is dried chilies, garlic pod, fresh ginger, cumin seed, turmeric powder, black pepper, cloves, and grind it to a smooth paste using very little water, and then you add vinegar and fenny to it. Let's begin with the marination process. You can divide the meat into batches and start mixing the masala into it. Once done, you can mix all the batches into one big vessel if you have, and mix them gently. And here now you can also add garlic slices and small finely cut green chilies into the mix. Once the sausage meat is ready, now we'll prepare the casing. This we will get in any grocery stores in the refrigerator section. You will see that it is covered fully with salt. So our first step is to remove this salt. So you gently put the desired quantity of the casing into a small vessel and wash it in lukewarm water. Now you drain the water and keep it aside. We will use this mold to prepare our Goa sausages. And now you can attach the casing to the nozzle at the bottom of the mold. And for the first time when you are preparing the sausage, gently grease the inside of the mold with any cooking oil. Fill the mold with the sausage meat and gently press down into the sausage casing. As soon as you see that all the air has gone and meat is coming out, you can tie a knot on this casing and wait for it to fill it up till the end. Once the sausage is filled up, you can tie it at an interval of around 6 inches with any cotton thread. Let's begin with the final dehydration process. For that, we have used our air fryer cum dehydrator, and you will see that it has 3 layers. The first layer will dehydrate faster than the below layers at 170 degrees for 2 hours. So once the first layer has finished dehydrating, remove it and bring the lower level up, and you keep rotating the levels as you finish the whole dehydration process for the entire sausage meat. And now your sausages are ready. You can either eat it the same day or you can keep it in the freezer section for another day. Enjoy with Penny!